move your body got me hypnotized. I might throw some cash tonight. The way you move your body got me hypnotized. Look at all these jealous bitches. Whoa. The way you move your body got me hypnotized. I might even throw some cash tonight. The way you move your body got me hypnotized. Watch you how you do it, take me by surprise. Diamonds dancing, watch them glow. See her dancing on that pole. Baby girl, take it slow. Show me things they don't know. Private dancer dancing in my living room. Take it all off, show me how you do.
What's going on, Clean Car Lifestyle? Welcome back to another video.
I glued it. Take it. No, take it. I glued it. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, Clean Car. That's how we're starting our day out.
And I glued this back on too.
Okay, we got glue on glue. That's plana.
Man, we should start calling him the Czar.
No, I just did it so it doesn't freaking.
All right, Clean Car Lifestyle. We are on our way to go get the exhaust done on Johnny's car. When we pull into Timmy's Plaza, we'll actually give you a little rev of the stock exhaust. I'll show you guys how it sounds like. Other than that, Johnny's gonna be sounding nice today. Okay, let's go. All right, let's go. Oh man.
Guys, so we are on our way to Zaro Mufflers to get a muffler delete for the Subaru.
Wait, time up for 1 second. I knew you guys were gonna say we got matching jackets. No, we do not have matching jackets. I bought this first. He copied my color. Let's get that out of the way right now. I know
it's not matching because if you see, mine is darker. But yeah, guys, so I'm super excited because, you know, my car sounds really silent and I want to add some sound to it. You know, wake me up a little bit. So I'm kind of excited.
The fact we're getting this on video right now, Johnny, you got a parking ticket.
No.
And listen, Alicia told me yesterday.
Why are you parking at your house, bro? It's always like this, dog. All the time, man.
That's funny. Time. But the reality is, he didn't have to get that ticket because he could have registered.
You know, no one can see your face.
Yeah, no way.
Okay. All right, move these air fresheners. All you gotta do, folks, is register the car. And there's no ticket, so that's L on you, Johnny.
Well, I'm sorry. I came late. I was tired. Let's put that back.
So what you gotta do is 2 shake-em-ons.
Okay.
You actually get to take it off the windshield?
No, if it flies off, God, fuck, man.
What do you mean it flies? I break it. I break it. I break it. Read it?
Huh? 40 bucks.
Jeez.
40 bucks. This is why I hate Canada. This is why I hate fucking Mississauga. Can't park on the side of the street. Why? I don't get it. Why are you giving me a ticket to park my car? In what way is it disturbing the peace? But what?
It's easy. Go online and do it.
It's not though, because it's a waste of time. It's nonsense. I gotta register the car.
Explain it. Yo, chill. $1,000 on the dashboard, fam. Oh, you don't have to pay this.
Why?
Because for an accurate TL, I pranked your bitch ass again.
Alright, Clean Car Lifestyle, we are finally here. We're gonna do a sound test on Johnny's car. We're gonna do before and after. Let's see how this thing sounds. Jeez. Truck game coming soon.
Alright guys, so this is my second mod in the car. My next mod that I'm planning to get after this is probably my coilovers. I can't wait to see how this sounds. I'm super excited. I got a massive tip. Guys, it's gonna be insane. Let's go. Alright guys, this is what it's looking so far. I'm trying to cut the muffler off. That is the tip that I'm gonna be using. I'll show you guys right now. That's how big the tip is. It's gonna sit perfectly right there. It fits perfectly. So I really like this tip and I'm glad I went with this one. Can't wait to see how it looks. Oh guys, look at this. Evolution Final Edition. This is sexy. Okay, Keston, right off the lot.
Obviously. Oh, wow. Not bad. All right. You can hang. You can hang.
I said I can hang.
Power beat.
Testing. Ooh. Alright, Clean Car Lifestyle. The car is finally getting a car wash. Johnny's feeling pretty nice right now. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds really good. From Alfa Dually, it actually sounds really, really good. But that's just a for now thing. Catback exhaust coming, maybe next year. Right now, sounds really, really good. Alright, Clean Car Lifestyle, that's the end of the video.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Just hit that red button down below. And remember, guys, a setback is a setup for a comeback. Let's go.